Welcome to my YouTube channel again. My name is Olubinga. I want to talk to you today about how to make money by helping people to recruit staff to man their business or to man their shop. How to make money by helping people to recruit staff to man their business or to man their shop. Now, what this business strategy is talking about is that you are going to be like a resource manager, like a human resource manager. You start a company, you register the company, you can register the company name with less than 20,000. And if you want me to help you to do that, contact me. I'm going to help you to do that with about 20,000 naira. You register your business name. So when you register the business name, it's getting the name of the business that, okay, recruit so and so company. And then you start working. You place advertisements for people that want to work as shopkeepers, and you train them for 1 week or even 1 day. You train them. You can train somebody for 1 day. You crash the training and you train them for 1 day. You feed them, and then you teach them about how to manage some people's business, how to manage people's shop, how they can make profit and loss, how they can balance their account, how they can watch the shop so that things are not stolen from the shop, how also they can help the person that owns the market to make business, and how they can make extra money for their own business. After doing this, you also tell them about the importance of integrity and honesty, that as they go, they should be honest, and you can give them incentive if after 2 months, there is no bad report from the person that they are working with, you are going to increase their own salary. Can you see the scope now? You're going to increase the salary. Based on this, those people are going to be faithful, and people that have shops are going to come to you. People that have businesses that they need people to manage for them are going to come to you. In fact, you can employ graduates, you can employ ND holders, you can employ school start holders to work with you, and then you train them, you orientate them, you train, you talk to them, and then you do all this. You treat them well, and then you pay them well. The people that invited you, then you supply them to them. They go to their shop, they go there, they make profit for the individual. The individual has the money, have entered the shop or started the business. They just help the person to manage it, and they make profit because you are behind directing them and teaching them how to do, and based on training you have given them, and you give them training from time to time. What I'm talking about is like this security outfit that you see them in uniform. Different security company have security men working with them and women. They train them, and then they give them uniform, and they post them to a particular company, and then they work for the company, and then the company need more people, they work for them. Many people see that company, people working in that company, they say they need people like that, then they go back to the company, they get people. You also can start a recruiting agency where you just recruit people that are business managers or shop managers. You see, I've discovered that many people are wanting to invest money in shop or in a business, but the problem is that they have not been able to find faithful people. So your work is to recruit and train faithful people for them, and to supply the people, hand over the faithful people for them, and you are the one that will get the salary of the people. Then you pay the people. They will pay the salary to the company because the company that's giving them the people. So you pay the salary to the company, then you are the owner of the company, you will pay them. So if you are billing them 30,000, you can pay your staff 20,000 or 25,000. If you are billing them 40,000, you can pay your staff 30,000. The one thing you have to be sure, you are going to work on the staff so that the staff is going to make profit for the company. The moment profit is made for the company will request for more staff, and that is how it's going to spread, and then you are going to become a brand. I'm looking forward to you taking off this opportunity and this role, and you are going to be glad you did. So this opportunity affords you monthly income, because if you have 20 people, you have 50 people working with you every month. In fact, you can even have 20 people working with you. You don't need any office to set this up. You can even use your home. You can use anywhere where you send them. They will come for your training. You talk to them. You sit on your chair. You train them. You talk to them. And then that is it. They get trained. Then the company said they should come and resume. Then they go and resume. And then the shop owner said they should come and resume. They go there, they resume. And then they start work month 1, week 1. They have made headway. They have made profit for the business owner. The business owner will request for more. The other business owner or the shop owner will go and open another shop, just because you have met that problem. You see, there's a problem of getting people to man shop for people because they steal. That is what people that own shop or own businesses say, because of the steal. So what happens? You have come in now to solve that problem of stealing for them. And by so doing, I'm telling you, you are going to be selling to the bank, because let's say 10,000 every month times we are collecting 40,000 and you are paying people 30,000. You are collecting 30,000, you are paying them 20,000. You are collecting 50,000, you are paying them 40. You are collecting 60, you are paying them 50. You are collecting 70, you are paying them 60. So in every staff you have, every month you are making 10,000 from them. And then what happens if you have 10 staff? 10 times 10, that is 100,000. If you have 20, that's 200,000. So the number of staff that you can have and the number of people you can reach out to let them know that you exist as a business is up to you. If you have any question on this business proposal, you can contact me. I'm going to consult for you free. Once you say you got my contact from this YouTube channel, but please, I want to plead with you that you should message me on WhatsApp. If you call me, I may be somewhere and may not be able to attend to you properly. So just message me on WhatsApp and we are going to talk. If there's need to call, I am going to use my own credit to call you back because you have taken your time to watch this video and you want to take action. My role is also to help you to move forward and to excel. The moment you excel, I also am excelling because my own channel too is excelling. That is my aim. I'm going to talk to you some other time. Bye for now.